Hey guys, Steve here at SKS Props, and today I'm going to show you how to build a quick and easy Kraft paper dispenser. Hey guys, welcome to the shop. This is of course one of those cosplay quick tip projects that I have wanted to do for a while. Having the ability to throw down some craft paper right before you do a resin or painting project is a fantastic thing, because then you're not splattering that stuff all over your work surface. I don't know why it's taken me so long, because this has been on one of my to-do lists for quite some time. And it didn't cost very much, a little bit less than $10 in overall parts, and it took me probably about 20 minutes start to finish. Now, there are lots of different examples of craft paper dispensers that are out there on the internet, as well as you can buy dedicated dispensers on Amazon or at Hobby Lobby and Joann's. But I just decided, I wanted to fabricate one myself. I'm going to show you guys some of the tips and tricks that I use to put mine together, and hopefully you guys can take a few things from that and use it in your own workspace. We got a lot to do, so let's get started. Now, the first thing I had to do was design the brackets that would be holding up the pole for the paper dispenser. Now, I could have done something really elaborate, but I decided just to kind of go with a simple design, but something that still looked nice since it was going to be attached to my workbench. Once I had the basic design laid out, I transferred that to some scrap 1/2-inch MDF that I had laying around the shop. Once the design had been transferred to the MDF, it was then taken to the bandsaw to be cut out. The MDF pieces had been cut out, they were then taken to the belt sander to be refined further. The final pass was done with a Dremel and sanding sponges. Knowing that this was a project I was eventually going to want to accomplish, I already had on hand a couple of wooden rod sockets for closet rods and a 48-inch Poplar Dowel. Once my brackets are complete, but before they are glued into place, I do take into consideration the diameter of the paper that I purchased. Now, if you're purchasing paper in between 50, 100, 200, or 1,000 feet, of course the diameter of your roll is going to vary, and you want to take that into consideration for the height of your brackets so that your paper is not dragging across your work surface. Once the brackets have been screwed into place, it's now time to take the dowel over to the bandsaw and cut it to length. Alright guys, well there you go, there's my quick and easy craft paper dispenser tutorial. Now the thing that I really like about this too is it's very adjustable. So right now, like, this is an 18-inch roll in here, but because of the way I've set it up, I can actually accommodate rolls up to 36 inches long, so I can cover the entire work surface with one roll if need be. Now if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Be sure to swing back by again for more tips and tutorials. Until then, thanks for stopping by.